Okay, mga kapartner at mga kaibigan, I'm back in the program. Hindi pa po ako nag-sign out, ha. Kanina lang para lang natutuwa lang ako sa guest natin. Excited po ako sa lahat po ng mga nanalo. Congratulations po dun sa 5 nakakuha ng gift certificates. May papalit niyo po yun isang galon na ice cream mula po sa Maynila Ice Cream. At ngayon naman, from ice cream, tayo naman po ay lilipat sa ibang klase ng produkto. Malayo ito sa ice cream, hindi po ito nakakain. And these are all abang gaganda from office furnitures, restaurant furnitures, interiors, home furnitures at iba't ibang klase po. We would like to welcome ang ating pong guest for this afternoon from Costules Incorporated, ang country manager si Mr. Umesh Baswani. Magandang hapon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Nanibago sila sa pangalan mo eh. Bakit ka ba marunong magtagalog?
Dito na po laki, ma'am.
Dito ka na lumaki. Dito ka na pinanganak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but originally, saan po yung bansa po ninyo?
India.
From India. Saan ba na sa inyo? North, South?
I'm not so sure. Actually, I was born here. My parents was also born here.
Ay, kaya
but,
pala. So, in generation nyo, dito na talaga, Pilipino.
Third generation.
Okay, anyway po, Sir Umesh, no? Ito pong mga products po ng Costules. Bakit ba siya tinawag na Costules? Ang gaganda po nito.
Yeah. We wanted to provide a lot of furnitures directly to people. Basically direct import namin, and a cheaper price with better quality. So we called it Costules. So it's a cheaper cost for purchase, no. So walang nagbebenta rito ng direct import in the Philippines. Mostly it's all passed on to merchants, passed on to dealers, passed on by stores. So everybody has a share. Cost would actually grow. So we wanted to provide cheaper alternative furniture to all the classes of people.
So ibig yung sabihin, ang operation siya po, direct po kayo dun sa mga binibilan po nyo abroad?
Yeah, we basically import directly. We handle the importation from the factories.
Yes.
We try not to buy from sa mga agents sa China, for example. So we doon pa binabili, ini-import namin directly, and then we also have a warehouse to hold big inventories. And we do have an office, a showroom. We do marketing ourselves, online, conventional. And we try to reach out to all classes of people, whether business, starting business, or just individuals.
Okay. At hindi lang yung mga kaibigan, mukhang itong mga brand po na dala-dala nila, no? Mukhang mga matitindi rin mga brand ito, like Ergodynamics, Sumo, Lifetime Interiors, Long Life, Sumo Top, and iSafe. Tama po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ito pong mga products po ninyo. Pagpalagay na nga po natin from furnitures to house interiors, ito po ba'y affordable talaga? Nasa magkano kaya ang range nito, sir, no? Ang gaganda, Pati po ba itong mga wall finishes na to, yung mga wallpapers?
Yes, ma'am. We have wallpapers, we have carpets, we have window blinds, both for office, for institutions, and for home. Prices. We basically have a guarantee. We're trying to come up with a Western type of business. So we do give a price guarantee. We do have a price match guarantee, like no other industry, no other furniture supplier has in the Philippines right now. So buyers could actually source, pwede sila mag-canvas. So tayo, ang mga Pilipino mahilig sa tawad.
Tama.
Mahilig kailangan mura.
So, pero maganda, ha? Yun ang gusto nila. Mura at maganda.
What we do, pwede sila mag-canvas. Pwede nilang dalhin sa amin yung canvas sheet nila. Pwede nilang sabihin na lang verbally na mura kay ganito, and we'll make sure that we give them at least 3 to 5% or more discount on top of any other supplier in the Philippines or anywhere else.
Okay. Where, by the way po, saan po nakalocate ang inyo pong warehouse? O do you call it a warehouse? O isa pong malaking showroom?
It's about 300 square meter showroom. We're located at Fillmore Street, about 8 streets away from Cash and Carry Mall. It's a supermarket, no? Very near Buendia, in the boundary of Manila, South Superhighway, near Lasal, near Cinsco. So we're very much accessible from all points, other cities in the metro.
Okay. So, yun nga po, sabi mo talaga kayo po yung nag-i-import and at the same time, mababa po yung presyo nyo. Kasi may mga malalaki pong mga showrooms na yun din, ganito rin yung kanilang mga produkto.
Right.
Pero, kung baga sa inyo po, ginagaranti nyo po yung quality at the same time yung presyo.
Yeah, everything that we sell, almost all, 95%, maybe I can say 95% of what we sell are covered by warranty. So,
ayun, ang galing.
if there's any problems, we do follow the DTI Consumer Act. So, pwede nilang request na papalitan.
Or return or exchange.
Yeah, exchange. If there's a problem later on, after a few months, if it's covered under the warranty, syempre, we still have some policies, no?
Yes.
Meron tayong upuan, like what you're sitting on, napunit dahil sa bisita nila, we cannot cover that. But most factory defect, we do cover.
Okay.
So that's also a good thing. Mura siya, but we still cover the warranty.
Okay. So, pwede mo bang enumerate, sir, yung mga products na to? Kasi since ako, hindi ko pa masyadong kabisa. Although nakikita ko dito sa inyo pong brochure, para ma-describe lang natin ang konti yung mga produkto na kinicarry ng Cost You Less.
Yeah. So, we start, our main product talaga, our main range of products are office furniture.
Okay.
That's basically, we supply office chairs. From ready-made office chairs that we have on stock, we also supply customized office chairs. You could choose a lot of colors of fabrics. We do have the desking systems, which is very essential. Lahat ng businesses kailangan ng chair, kailangan ng desk. So we do have two kinds of desk as well. We have the ready-made desk, and we also have the customized desking systems. And apart from that, we also cater to workstations, cubicles, partitions. That is also a requirement of a lot of offices. And these are also customized sizes, colors, fabrics. Could be customized locally, could be indented from China, Malaysia, Taiwan, and multiple designs.
Ang dami pala ng options, no?
Yeah. we can do it as per the client, as per the design. Gusto nilang conventional, gusto nilang modern,
classic,
whatever they want, we can do that.
Okay.
And then we have storage systems. Basically, these are the filing cabinets. These are either it could be for office, could be mobile pedestals, could be movable partitions, could be basically the racking systems that you use for warehouses. That also we actually cater to. Apart from office, we do have interiors, which is also essential. Those are carpets, window blinds, PVC accordion doors, and wallpapers, etc. This would actually complete what you need for an office. If you're starting up an office or a business, you need everything to furnish your office. We have everything that you need. We have. So apart from office and interiors, we do carry a lot of institutional furnitures, hospitality furnitures, like restaurant furnitures, folding tables and chairs that are multi-purpose. Could be used for church, could be used for office, could be used for any type of institutional use. And we also have this, I think it's right now exclusive to us. We call it the Sumo Top.
Sumo Top.
Yeah,
Bakit po ito exclusive, sir?
It's our own brand. It's our house brand.
All right.
The only other maker of this is actually a Malaysian-based company, and next is ours. But we don't make it directly. We actually source it from another company who uses a German technology system for this tables. These are tables that are almost weatherproof, so you could use it outside.
Outdoors.
Outdoors. And most cafes, most restaurants, high-end, yung mga paboritong hamburger chain, they use this type of tables for their we call it alfresco dining outside. So these are tables that you could choose the tops, you could mix it with various types of stand, and mix and match yan, depende sa motif ng restaurant.
Pero kailan po bang may brand ito? Kailan po yung nakakapag-distribute ito?
Actually, we do have a lot of dealers, so we supply through them as well right now. And besides that, we have a lot of bar stools, tables. We have a lot of restaurant chairs, yung mga nauusong mga plastic chairs. We have that as well. And from office, interiors, resto, bar, we definitely also cater to home furniture. Home furniture is everything: bedroom furniture, living room furniture. We have the kitchen furniture, some systems. We can do some kitchen cabinetry as well. So lahat, basically when it comes to furniture, almost all, ang kulang na lang is hospital furniture.
Malapit din siguro, sir, ha?
Sana.
Okay, talagang nakikater mo na ang lahat, ha? From home to offices to restaurants. Ano nga, hospital na nga lang, no?
Yeah, hospital na lang ang kulang.
Okay, siguro pati rin mga schools, ha?
Yeah, we have
meron
school
na rin.
furnitures as well.
Okay, so napakaganda po ng mga products po ng Cost You Less. And just in case balak nyo nga pong pumunta doon, ulitin lang po natin, sir, yung location.
Yeah, exact address is at 5112 Fillmore Street. We're at Corner Curie. about 8 to 10 streets away from Cash and Carry. Very accessible from Buendia, South Superhighway, or Taft Avenue. And you can check us at our website. That's costules.com.ph.
Okay. So, any telephone numbers po na pwede natin i-plug?
Yep.
Just in case they have some inquiries?
Yeah, direct numbers for our sales team would be 832-6360-261.
832-6360-261. Okay.
And 659 6897.
6897. So, for those of you po na nagbabalak pong bumili ng mga furnitures, whether for office or for your homes, no? Pwede po kayong tumingin dito sa Costules. Sabi mo, okay lang mag-canvas sa inyo, di ba?
Yeah, they can check our prices. And we do give a lot of discounts, especially to startup businesses. Yung mga nagbabalak pa lang, medyo budget constrained.
Oo
yan.
nga,
So,
tama.
We can always help them with the budgets. We also cater, basically what we have the cheaper, we call it economical furniture. We have mid-end furniture and we have high-end. So we could cater dun sa mga nagtitipid talaga, gusto sobrang mura. Meron tayo nun. Yung mga medyo may extra money na gusto maganda yung look ng office, we do have that. Yun naman mga walang magawa sa pera na gusto social talaga, we also have that.
Naku,
so anybody can buy.
Walang kawala. Sabi natin ganon. So lahat pala, yung lahat ng options nandyan na po sa inyo, sa Costules.
Yes,
at siguro nga, pag nandyan ka na, bakit ka pa nga pupunta sa iba pa, di ba?
Exactly.
Okay. So mga kaibigan, for those of you nga po na gusto pong pumunta sa Costules o kaya naman gusto nyo pong mag-inquire at the comforts of your own homes, may telephone po kayo dyan. These are the phone numbers po. 832-6360 up to 61. 832-6360 to 61 at 659-6897. 659-6897. Tama ba, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Tama po.
Okay. At pwede niyo pong hanapin si Sir Umesh.
Definitely, yeah.
Oo. Doon ka naman madalas, sir, di ba?
Yeah, almost every day. We do handle our clients well.
Okay.
Basically, what we stand for is a service and after-sales service.
Sa pa yun. Oo, yun ang pinaka-importante kahit saan.
Hindi pwedeng bento lang ng benta.
Yung CSR.
Right.
Anyway, do you have some events or any upcoming po na mga...
Basically, right now we're on sale.
Okay.
Basically, we're on sale. We might have our anniversary sale this October as well. But right now we have a lot of products that are up to about 50% less. And these are, pag sinabing 50%, a lot of the stores outside they don't really sell it at 50%. They jack up the price, pinapalabas na 50. Sa amin is real 50%. These are items that siguro 6 months na sa amin. We want to dispose of it.
Okay.
Because items that last too long, medyo, it gets damaged on the process of storage. So, we have incoming shipments. Before the shipments come, sinesale namin yan maximum 50%. And right now, we're on sale. They can check a lot of products online or actually proceed to our showroom. And definitely, they'll find what they're looking for at very, very cheap prices.
Wow. So, ito po sinasabi yung 50%, it applies to all your products, kahit po yung sa pang-office, sa pang-home, pati yung mga yung mga carpets, no?
Yeah. For instance, office, we do have office chairs cheap as $7.99. Office chairs, 6 months warranty, $7.99. That's quite cheap. Carpets, $4.99 installed. Blinds at 99 pesos for roller blinds. Also, everything's almost cheap kasi we actually also manufacture the blinds and the carpets ourselves.
Kaya pala.
So, we try to really provide the cheapest possible prices for them.
Okay, so ano pang hinihintay nyo, ha? Bisita na kayo sa Costules. So, ulitin ko lang po yung mga telephone numbers po nila. 832-6360 to 61 at 659-6897. So, October po, may anniversary sale pa rin kayo by October.
By October. Right now, we're still on sale right now anyway. Yeah.
Okay, may sale sila ngayon, tapos may anniversary sale pa po sila sa October. Nako, makakapili na kayo ng panregalo. Kay lolo, kay lola. Pwede, no? Mga chairs dyan na mga komportable talaga. And by the way, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Bong Sarsha. Tama? Hi, Bong, and Miss Bem Davaso. Thank you for coming also. Okay. So mga kaibigan, before po kami magtapos, narito na po ang question of the day. Para po sa gustong sumali, dun po sa ating Evercell Battery Trivia, na ang draw po nito will be on September 6. That will be on Friday. 10 ang mananalo na early Christmas gift pack from Evercell Battery. Okay, question of the day. Ano yung guess ko kanina? Anong pangalan nung kanila pong ice cream? Oh, di ba? Ice cream 'yon. Ice cream on stick. Anong pangalan? So tandaan nyo, pag sinabi kong pangalan, ano 'yun? Baka hindi nyo napakinggan kanina. Yun po yung ating question of the day. At syempre, anong battery ang talagang tested na at hindi ka madidismaya? Dalawang answer ngayon. So, papahirap yung question kasi malapit na yung draw. Okay, so for those of you who would like to answer the question, pwede nyo itawag yan sa 801-9836, 836-3875, at pwede nyo na po yung i-text sa 0927-540-2241. Ano pong pangalan ng ice cream kanina? At syempre, ano pong battery ang talagang tumatagal, tested, at syempre, hindi ka madidismaya. So, please send in your answers. It will be your entries for the September 6 draw ng Evercell battery. Nandito po sila live. Sila po yung bubunot sa mga sumali po sa raffle. So, ulitin ko po, 801-9836, 836-3875, at 0927-540-2241. And Sir Umesh, thank you very much for coming.
Yes,
at more success po sa Cost-U-Less. Any last message you'd like to impart to our listeners?
We'd like to invite everyone, mga naghahanap ng furniture, balak mag-business, pwede kayong pumunta sa store namin, sa showroom namin, and definitely we'll guarantee that the service and the products that we provide would be the best price, best quality, and basically nobody beats our price. That's one of our mottos. So I'd like to invite everyone to try and buy from us.
Okay, don't forget Cost-U-Less Incorporated. So yung pinakamalapit pong landmark, sir, dyan po sa may Cash and Carry.
Cash and Carry, yung mga nakakaalam ng De La Salle University, and Saintsco, and South Super Highway. Right now, it's Osmeña Highway na ngayon ang tawag.
Okay. Highway. So, sige po punta po kayo doon. Napakarami pong options, napakarami pong sale. Malapit, Burmans na kayo malapit ng gift giving. Kay kumari po ninyo, o kaya kay lolo at lola. Marami po kayo matatagpuan doon. So, natapos naman po ang Monday edition ng DZAR Radio Bazaar, your marketplace on air. Of course, ito po ang inyong Ate Grace, kasama po ang ating mga bisita. Kanina po from Maynila Ice Cream, at syempre po ngayon naman po from Cost-U-Less, si Mr. Umesh Baswani. So, don't forget po sa'yo sila ngayon. Punta na po kayo doon. So, have a good day, at wish ko po na maging maayos din po ang ating panahon at maging masaya po ang bonding ng pamilya for the whole week. So, thank you very much, and thank you also, Sir Umesh.
Thank you.
Bye!